Introducing Anelia, a modern, sustainable, value-for-money tap range available at Italtile. Anelia has been designed to elevate minimalist mood boards with modern, sleek lines and a stunning chrome finish. Offering two hand basin tap options to choose from, including classic and tall, both can be used with drop-in basins, undermount basins and countertop basins that have a tap hole present. The Anelia bath or shower mixer is a single-function unit that can be connected to a single shower or bath outlet. It has a round backing plate and the brass body of the mixer is concealed. The Anelia diverter mixer is a dual-function unit where only one function can operate at any given time. The diverter mixer can be connected to two outlets of your choice, bath spout and hand shower, or overhead shower and hand shower. It has a round backing plate and the brass body of the mixer is concealed. The Anelia wall-type bath mixer is exposed and should be mounted above a bath on the wall. The mixer comprises of a mixer lever, spout, diverter lever and a connector for the hand shower. Anelia mixers function best with balanced water pressure. The taps boast aerators that add air into the water flow to soften any potential splashing, as well as a reduced flow rate of around 6 liters per minute. All the taps in the Anelia range are covered by a 10-year guarantee on the brass body and a 3-year guarantee on the cartridges and heads. All in all, the imported Anelia tap range offers impressive looks, an attractive price point, as well as water-saving features that align perfectly with Italtile's very own LiveGreen ethos. Anelia taps and mixers will certainly appeal to the style-conscious home renovator looking for sustainable design, high-tech features, quality finishes, and excellent value for money.